market and publish your books on Amazon KDP, there are certain resources and tools which you need. Some of these tools and resources are totally free, and others have both the free and the paid options. Remember this, on Amazon KDP, they only offer you a platform of publishing your books, but you require the tools to create your book, to format, and to market that book. So I will take you through each and every tools and resources, as I will be telling you the ones which I do use. So when we are talking of book creation and design tools, let's say for example, if I want to create a journal, maybe I want to create a notebook, maybe I want to create a workbook or a workout logbook, what resources will I require? You can use Canva. Canva, you can use the free option, which has limited templates, but it's very good. Then later you can upgrade to the paid option. BookBolt has no free option, but it has paid option. We have Affinity Publisher, this is for formatting your books. We have Adobe InDesign and Creative Fabrica. Some of them don't have the free option. Personally, I use Canva, free option, and of course BookBolt, which I love very much. Then let's look at the formatting tools for ebooks and the print books. For the ebooks, you can use the Kindle Create, which is free. You can use Atticus, Vellum, and Readsy Book Editor. Check the ones which are paid and the ones which are not paid. You don't have to use all of them. Here I've explored only the Kindle Create, but for my ebooks I format them using Microsoft Word. I use Microsoft Word to format my books. It's a very good one. Then we have the cover design tools to create a cover for your book. We have Canva, the free option. Then we also have the paid option. We have Adobe Photoshop. We have BookBolt, of course. BookBolt is paid. On the cover design, I do prefer the BookBolt, but Canva has very good templates, which you can carry at some templates here and then use them on BookBolt. The KDP cover calculator helps you to calculate the size of the cover. Then we have the keyword and research niche collection tools. Yes, you need to know the keywords. When you're publishing your book on KDP, there is a step where you'll be told to list 7 keywords which are related to that book which you're publishing. Let's say for example, I am publishing a gratitude journal. What are some of the keywords which are related to that gratitude journal? Now, for example, I can give a few examples. We can have meditation journal. We can have journal for women and men. We can have journal for children and many others. So you can use the Amazon KDP search bar. You can use the Publisher Rocket, Self-Publishing Titans, STP tools, Google Trends, and BookBolt. Personally, have used the BookBolt and the Amazon KDP Finder. Then now, as I had said, the books cannot sell themselves. You must market just like any other business. Have a budget for marketing. And if you do not have, you can start with the free tools, and these are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the social media which are free. Then but Instagram, we also have a paid option, and Facebook, we have paid option. If you don't have the budget for these, you can start with the free ones, like posting on various groups, posting on your account. Then we have the Amazon ads, which is the best, and there is a budget for this. Then we have the KDP Select and Kindle Unlimited for the ebooks, which is free. Then these I have talked about, the social media and the content marketing. you can use the free options. So you just post about your book, explain it like that. Learning and growth resources. Learning is inevitable and you must know what you're doing. We have the Amazon KDP Help Center, which is free. YouTube free, you only require internet. Facebook groups and KDP communities. Udemy and Skillshare courses, which are paid. KDP Community Forum. So if you're a beginner and maybe you don't have a budget to pay for a course, you can start with YouTube, yes, which is free, where you can watch videos on Amazon KDP. But ensure you don't watch a million videos, you'll end up confused. No, you can choose like 1 or 2 people, watch from them, learn from them, make notes, and then from there you can begin your course. Personally I bought a course. There is a course which I bought at it was around $30. Yes, as I was also using the free ones, I also paid for a course. Yes, sometimes you need to get value. Yes, that let me just tell you the truth. Let me be honest here. Yes, not all the free things which are valuable, sorry to say this. Then you have the AI and automation tools. We have the ChatGPT, which is free. Personally, yes, which is free, but you also have the paid option. ChatGPT helps in maybe when you want to create a description, when you're publishing a title, a subtitle, you can ask ChatGPT anything. We have the Cloud AI. We have the DALL-E Mid-Journey. For me, I always use the ChatGPT. It's my favorite one. We have Grammarly to check your grammar and spelling. Hemingway Editor. Then this is my advice now based on your budget. If you are a beginner, you can start with the free ones. Explore the free ones like Canva free, Kindle Create, Self-Publishing Titans, Amazon Author Central, and YouTube and Facebook groups. If you're comfortable paying, maybe you have a budget for that, you can use BookBolt. That will be my number 1. Publisher Rocket, Amazon Ads, Grammarly Premium, and we also have another one known as Sonic Book for ebooks, which is paid. You pay once and then you're going to use it. The Sonic can even turn a YouTube video into an ebook for you, like that. So start with the free tools and upgrade as you grow. Choose design and formatting tool that fits your budget. Use free keyword research tools, and also you can experiment with marketing strategies. Remember this, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a business like any other business. Have a plan for it, have a strategy for it. If you're getting it into it to get rich quick scheme, this is not for you. You need to market these books, you need to create them, and you also need to know how to budget for them and plan for them. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but it's a very nice way of creating passive income for you over time.